Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I would love to show you how to make with your home chicken manure fertilizer. This is my chicken. His name is Blackie. I'm gonna let him go so I can do my work. All right, Blackie, you can go. There we go. Whoever has chicken in their coops every day, it will be a lot of dropping. So what we have to do, we collect them so we can keep their cages clean. And usually that's what I do. Here I already collected. This is chicken manure, and this is the best chicken manure you can use for your trees. The best fertilizer for your trees. So what you have to do is you put them in the water and you keep it for whole week because it's very, very, very strong manure it is. This is the best, like I said, fertilizer for the trees. So what you do is you put for whole week and you cover it and you let it forget until the manure, it dissolves, it becomes very like liquidy. So when you do this, a week later, what you will do is you take a bucket of water, full of it, just like this, and just any container like this size, something like that. You can just take the one dish of the liquid because it's very, very strong. Try not to make it too heavy. You don't want to burn your trees if you give too much. But because it's like I said, it's fresh, it's strong, it has a lot of nutrients in it. Because the chickens, they eat a lot of worms, a lot of vegetables and whatever, but their manure, again, it's the best. So what you have to do is, when you have small trees, at least you can give them 2 cup to 3 cup, bucket like this, container, around your trees. Do not give too close to the roots because you don't want to kill the tree. And most of the trees, then when you give fertilizer, you know that when the branches grows, that's how much far is the roots are. So around the roots you can put closer, further, but not close to the roots. So you don't want to kill them. So what you have to do, so this is the way you water it, and I will guarantee you your trees, your flowers, they all gonna bloom very beautifully. If it's like I said, if it's a big tree, you can just give it with the bucket around. Don't put too close because the roots goes further. So wherever the roots are, that's where you want to give because that's where the roots collect the nutrients from the ground. So anyway, I want you just to show a little bit the trees. I want to say that most of my trees, I never really buy fertilizer. Since my kids, they were little, we had chickens, and this is the result of my garden. So one day I'm going to give you a tour of my trees, my plants, and then I'm going to show you how fast, how good do they grow. All the trees, they bear fruits, vegetables, and we enjoy them. Well, I hope you'll do the same thing. If you have a chicken, do the same thing. If you don't have chicken, get it and you will make your own fertilizer. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, subscribe my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.